Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. All right guys, this beautiful baby that I just ordered last week, I'm really surprised it came in so early, but my Beautylish Spring Lucky Bag filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics has arrived. Of course, we're gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys today. I am so freaking excited to see what we got, see if we have any doubles, see if maybe there's a theme going on with the boxes. And as you guys know, literally as I'm speaking right now, Jeffree just launched the Spring Mystery Boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I'm really curious to see if this one's gonna be better. We're of course gonna be buying those ones too. He's added a bunch of bundles and different tiers to buy from. I know there's a cannabis friendly one as well, which I am so interested in seeing. So definitely stick around, stay tuned. Once those boxes are in my possession, I am of course gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. And if you're regulars here, you know that whenever Jeffree does a launch or mystery boxes of his own, we do a mystery box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky winner. Now, speaking about lucky winner, I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but I announced on my Instagram, I know I always do here on YouTube, awesome giveaways, but on my Instagram, I never have done a giveaway yet, so I wanted to do one of BAM, the F-Proof Mascara. This is going to 2 lucky winners, and I cannot wait for you guys to try this formula. That giveaway is gonna be ending super soon, so make sure you click my Instagram, make sure you're following and follow all the rules. I will have it linked down below so you can make sure you've entered correctly. And yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's see what we got in this lucky bag. Ooh, okay. Let me start with the lip stuff. So, bam. We have a brand new Supreme Gloss. As we know, these were recently launched. Let's see what shade we have. Oh, such a good shade. This is Celebrity Skin. It's a staple nude for anybody's collection. This formula is so unique. I did a dedicated video all about the formula in case you guys are curious. I will have that linked up here. I actually tried on all 26 of the brand new shades. I love a lot of them. If you want to see the goods on that though, definitely check out that video. This is a beautiful shade and I am really happy to add it to my collection, but since I have it already, could be going out to one of you. Next, we have the gloss, the original gloss formula. This is in the shade Mouthful. I, again, already have this, so I don't want to open it, but it is a stunning, everyday wearable color. It's the type of color that's gonna live in your purse because it goes with everything. If you have nothing on and you just want to throw it on, it's so beautiful. I love this. So far, the box is looking really bomb. All right, the next 2 items, boom. Now, let's talk about this for a minute. This is the lip scrub from the Shane and Jeffree collection. This is the shade Oh My God from the Shane and Jeffree collection. Now, I've noticed that in the last several mystery boxes, we've been getting a lot of the Shane and Jeffree collection. I also noticed that the items from the collection are frequently on sale. I have a lot of people in my comments being like, I think he's phasing it out, he's phasing it out. What do you guys think? Let's talk about this for a minute. Do you think he's putting everything on sale and slowly starting to phase out these products from this line? I'm so curious because he always said the conspiracy would be a permanent palette in his line, but if it's always on sale, like what's the deal? What's going on? What do you guys think? I'm so curious. The next item in the Jeffree Star Beautylish Lucky Bag, we have a beautiful Supreme Gloss. This is in the shade Frozen Peach. I have talked about this before, but this is not a formula that I personally prefer using on my face. I'm over 30, so I don't necessarily love to put glitter and load glitter onto my face. And this is the type of highlight that's very glittery, which isn't my favorite, but as an eyeshadow topper, these are absolutely amazing. You're getting that glitter, beautiful glisten, and I love it for that. Would I personally put it on my face? No, but I do think it's an awesome item to get in a mystery box. All right, what we've been waiting for. What palette did I get? This beautiful baby. I'm actually wearing this palette today on my eyes. I did a tutorial of this that I will be posting in a couple of days, so stay tuned for that. This is a purple lover's dream. I say it all the time. It's stunning. It's beautiful. The packaging is unreal, out of this world. I love this palette. So far, guys, this box is pretty bomb. I'm not gonna lie. And the last item in the box is of course a hand mirror. I don't think any box is complete without one. I freaking love the hand mirrors. It's not in the shot, but they are literally lining my makeup room. I'm obsessed with them. Oh my God, I don't have this shade. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a chromy black. This is so sleek and beautiful. I would say I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, but I'm not. Ugh. Like, I love this. I don't have it. Stunning. All right, guys, that is it for the box, and that has a whopping value of, now I'm gonna calculate it after, so I'm gonna put the number here, but wow, for only costing $98 Canadian, even cheaper in American, I think we did pretty good with this box. Now, how do you feel about it in comparison to his boxes from JeffreeStarCosmetics.com? In my opinion, I prefer those boxes. There's always these surprise mystery items, and I don't know, I just feel more excited opening those boxes. I did think this one was so nice. I don't know what it was about this lucky bag launch, but they barely advertised it. I did not get an email. I didn't get anything pertaining to like it coming out. I actually had a lovely subscriber of mine message me and let me know that they were on sale. Other than that, I wouldn't have gotten them. They're unfortunately now no longer available, but they were available for a lot of days. Like, it didn't sell out because I personally feel nobody knew about them. I loved this box. I thought it was great. I love doing unboxings with you guys, and I know you enjoy them too. Please, guys, give this video a like if you like this style of video. Leave some comments down below. What would you like to see from me next? I'm really into filming right now. I want to put out some fresh content. It's spring. Let's get it going. Do you want colorful eyeshadow looks? Anything you guys want, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you aren't subscribed, please make sure you do. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!